how to use your UnitedHealthcare UCard to purchase products. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will need to understand our UCard balance and allowance. Before making a purchase, it's essential to know what allowances are available on your UCard. You can have a balance for different categories such as OTC, over-the-counter products, like cold medicine, pain relievers, vitamins, healthy food allowance used for purchasing fruits, vegetables, dairy, and utility payments. Some plans allow you to pay utility bills using the UCard. You can check your UCard balance and allowance by logging into the UnitedHealthcare member portal or the mobile app, or you can call customer service or check your account information at participating retailers. Where can you use your UCard? You can use it in participating retail stores, and you can also use it online. How can we use it at a store? First, you will need to gather your items. You will choose eligible items such as OTC products or healthy food items based on your plan benefits. You will check the price and your allowance. Make sure your UCard balance can cover the cost of the products. And the third step will be swiping or scanning your UCard. At the register, you will let the cashier know that you will be using your UCard to pay. You can either swipe the UCard at the payment terminal or provide it to the cashier. It works like a prepaid debit card, and it will deduct the purchase amount from your available balance. You want to keep your receipt, save your receipt for your records, and double check that the correct amount has been deducted from your UCard balance. If you want to use it online, you will visit a participating retailer's website such as Walmart and browse the OTC items that are eligible for purchase. You can add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. At the checkout, select your payment method and enter your UCard details, similar to entering a debit or credit card information. Then you will complete your purchase, and the amount will be deducted from your UCard balance. You can track your purchases by logging into the portal, and if you want to pay your utility bills, you can log into the member portal to see if you have a utility payment allowance, and you can use the payment option provided in the portal to apply your UCard balance toward an eligible utility bill. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.